In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a Wix website. If you're working in the classic Wix editor, the easiest and most reliable way to add a table is by using the CMS. This helps you store your content in a structured way and display it on your site securely, which is especially useful if your table includes information you may want to update later without redesigning the page. To get started, make sure the CMS is enabled in your site. On the left sidebar of the Wix editor, look for the CMS icon, which may also be labeled as the Content Manager depending on your version. If you haven't set it up yet, click it and then choose Add to Site. This activates the tools you need to connect website elements, like a table. To stored content, taking this step first is important because the table will rely on your CMS collection and dataset to show the correct information. Once the CMS is enabled, go to the left side of the editor and click the Add Elements icon, which is the plus symbol. This opens the panel where you can insert new content and design features into your page. From there, look for the section called List or Layout Tools and then select Tables. Wix offers different table styles and presets, so take a moment to choose one that fits the design of your site and the type of information you want to present. After you've chosen a table preset, drag and drop it into the location where you want it to appear on the page. Try placing it somewhere with enough space so the content remains easy to read. If needed, you can adjust its position later. But it helps to start with a clear layout in mind. Next, connect the table to your data. Click the Connect to CMS icon floating above the table. This is the key step that links the table to a collection and dataset in your CMS. The collection is where your content is stored, and the dataset controls which content gets displayed in that specific table. Once connected, the table will pull in your information automatically, making updates much easier in the future. And that's it. Thanks for watching.